my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. And if you're here for the first time, I am Melda. Okay, so today I'm preparing for my family air-fried chicken wings with French fries. If you want to see how I achieve these, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. Now whatever I'm putting on my chicken and you don't want on yours, just leave it out. Remember, my recipes are not gospel. Use them as a guide. Feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. God bless you. Now you're going to allow these to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes before frying. Let's do it. So right here I'm just arranging them on the rack for the air fryer. All right. We have 3 racks of chicken wings, getting all crisper. Enough for today and tomorrow. All right now. Right here I'm just shifting the racks, putting the top one to the bottom and the bottom one to the top, just so that they can cook evenly. God bless you. I'll just set the timer for about 15 minutes so that they can finish up. Continue watching. Even though the sign says off, wait for the motor to stop before opening the door. flipping them, putting the top to the bottom and the bottom rack to the top. Continue watching. Right here, I'm just flipping them over so that the other side can brown as well. French fries are next. Okay. Okay, right here I'm just adding some Parmesan cheese to the Brussels sprouts, and then I'll return them to the oven for about 5 minutes to crisp up. How does that sound? Continue watching. And by the way, family, I'm still doing it. Still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. If you have watched this video all the way to the end and have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.